Hello everyone, this is Medina. This is the Silent City and we are going inside. Let's walk around. Join me in this video. Let's go guys. Wow. So there are restaurants. This is the famous Blue Door. So it has a bougainvillea here. It's so huge.
Poi non fanno.
They have horses there for rent. And this is the gate. Going to the Silent City. Welcome guys. Join me in this video. So this is the gate, the Mdina Gate, the famous, it's a famous place where they shoot some scenes, the Game of Thrones. And here are the garden, beautiful garden. Let's go inside. This is so beautiful. Look at this. This is so amazing. Let's go guys inside.
If these people want something, they just have to go.
These are the horses here in Mdina. Welcome to Mdina Heritage Malta. Hi, beautiful horse. This is so beautiful here in Malta. This is the first square that you will meet once you arrive here in Malta. This is so beautiful. Let's walk around. Here, this is so beautiful. This is great. There are so many tourists today. Oh, hi. Beautiful streets. Oh, that's beautiful. That's terrace. There are so many churches here in Mdina. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
No, yeah.
Beautiful building. Architecture, history, food, streets, the climate. This is so perfect.
Wenn du an Gott glaubst. Und du musst die ganze Zeit wieder das Gleiche wiederholen, bis du daran glaubst.
This door is so long. Wow. The terrace. Perfect. Wow. They have here the red telephone booth. Beautiful. Beautiful church.
Un calendario e di sopra potete notare la croce alle due linee orizzontali. Quello è perché questo è il cattedrale principale di Malta. Perché Mdina, anche se oggi non è ancora la capitale.
Wow. Beautiful streets. Some local shop. And a beautiful church. There's so many tourists are together. And this is beautiful church. Let's go to one of the viewpoint here in Medina. Medina is quite small, so you can walk around and see the different alleys and streets in just a couple of hours maybe. So we entered also in one of the churches. So that's beautiful. Here, this is the viewpoint. So people may go here and take photos. Wow. It's nice viewpoint here. Caution, wow. So this is what you can see. It's near the airport, so we can hear the airplanes. That's pretty nice. Wow. So cool. So like everyone is here taking videos and photos and eating some ice creams. So this is the view from this viewpoint. The Mediterranean soil. So nice. So you can sit down here and have a relax. There are trees here, so you can sit down here like that. You can eat anywhere. We've got this view here. Wow, beautiful. These streets are so beautiful. Amazing. This is so wonderful. So, oh, this is the famous blue door. There are people in here. is the famous Blue Door. So it has a bougainvillea here. It's so huge. There. So people are taking photos here. This is so beautiful. This is so... So there are many people here taking photos in the famous Blue Door. This place is so amazing. Small church, cute, beautiful streets in Malta. This is so beautiful. There's lots of shades anywhere. Look at this terrace, amazing. This one is another viewpoint. These are the walls of Mdina and then the city. Let's go inside. Let's go back inside. Let's go to the famous Piazza, where they filmed the Game of Thrones. Where is it? Is it here? No, it's not here. Where is it? This one is pretty old. Lovely. This is another entrance. This is so nice. This one is the alley. This one is the alley. Famous Plaza. We are looking for the Plaza Mesquita. I think it's here. The streets here in Medina are very nice. Wow. This is so beautiful. And this is also beautiful. So let's go here. Let's see if this is the right plaza. I love here in Medina. This is the best city that we have visited so far. Casa Tuta, beautiful door. Oh, this is the famous Plaza of the Game of Thrones. Yeah, this is it. So welcome, guys. Wow. So there are restaurants, and this one is easy. Beautiful. Wow, beautiful. So let's go now. This is the beautiful streets. There are so many things to see here in Medina. It's a small, but it's impressive. So let's go back there. It's so beautiful. Beautiful places, colorful, and the doors and the windows, they are colorful. So, windows, the terraces. This is so nice. Beautiful. Perfect. Beautiful Medina. I hope you guys like the video. You have to explore Medina as well when you have time, when you visit Malta. Pretty islands, beautiful churches. Amazing.
The original place. Mdina Malta, your prison.
You can hire horses here. There are so many horses. These are the walls of Medina. We're going to Rabat. So, this is the road. We're going to Rabat. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more travel videos. See you soon!